Why should I consider long-term care planning when I'm doing my estate planning?
It's so important to consider long-term care planning because the greatest threat to your financial well-being is the cost of long-term care. That can be in the home, in assisted living, or in the nursing home. But nothing has the potential to drain your finances quicker than paying for long-term care over, as the name implies, a long period of time. Because of that, it's not enough to simply do estate planning, because estate planning essentially answers the question, what happens to your stuff after you die? That's an important question to answer, and we need to answer that too. But there's a more important question, which is, what happens if you don't die but instead become ill? We're living so much longer in this country. In 1900, the average life expectancy was 47 years. Now it's 78 years and over 80 for women, for example. Because of that, and the fact that the number of seniors is increasing, we also have the situation where we're living longer, but oftentimes with a disability. I've mentioned it before, but my father was an example. Lived to be 88, but he had Alzheimer's the last years of his life. If our medical system wasn't so good, he never would have made it that far because he had some cancer he had to beat and some other issues. So bottom line is we have to answer the question, what happens if you don't die but instead become ill? That's long-term care planning, rather than just estate planning, which answers the question of what happens after you die. So it's vital that we answer all the questions and not just one or two of them.